Yes, as they hurt my good people, I say make I bring it to come, make a knocker for now. I know waiting they happen for Nigeria now. As they watch me now, share this video, like it, leave your comment for the comment section so that other people will see it too. Don't forget, say we have nationality of this platform. Showore don't cry, come out. It is shout for studio. He say he no get hope for court. He not get hope for judiciary for Nigeria. Say if we reach court, say they will give Obi the mandate. He say no, he not believe that. Say this time when we did now, everybody supposed to come out and fight for this power when it's still for our hand. This mandate when it's still when Mahmoud said go Tinubu. He say nah. He say if we say make we give a time, if Tinubu don't enter power, he say we not get where we they go. He said that time we can't use the power to the press us. Why? Because now they control the court, they control the whole army, control the whole soldier, control everybody. He said nah. Let everything roll. Before I leave una now, make una watch her, make una. Please, I dey beg again, share this video, follow like so that other people will see her too. Now, what you talk now be this NATO.
Talking about Labour Party coming together with the PDP and all of that. Are you going to join other political parties to go to court to challenge what you consider a fraudulent election, or you do not have any faith in the court system, you just protest and allow the matter to rest? What's the way forward?
What you are saying regarding the Labour Party and the PDP is what people like us have always said, that they are the same. We are not part of that coalition or alliance. And with regards to the courts, when somebody steals your thing, you can retrieve it from him, and he says, no, don't retrieve it from him, go to court. You have to wait for the courts to convene. But the court that gave you a governor that was fought in Imo State is not likely to be a court that I will be heading to when I'm cheated on this scale. The court that hasn't delivered justice to people like me since I was born in this country is not the court I can tell you that I have implicit or explicit confidence in. If we go to court, you can almost determine what will be the outcome of the courts. The courts in Nigeria have never nullified the presidential election. Even in 2007, when they conducted an election in which there were no serial numbers in the ballot papers, the courts declared that you don't need serial numbers. And the person for whom the election was rigged by President Olusegun Obasanjo, that's Yaradua, came out and said, these elections were problematic, but he accepted the booty regardless. So I do not think we are going to head to a court that may not be able or hasn't delivered justice in similar matters for us. I think the reason they're asking people to go to court is to calm down the nerves of Nigerian people so that they accept this rubbish as a fait accompli, and make sure that there are no uprisings on the streets to retrieve back the stolen mandate, whatever fraudulent election they conducted. That's the reason they direct you to the courtrooms, because they know what the outcome will be, because we also know how these these courts are constituted by political parties in power. So we can't be here deceiving ourselves. I know you're a lawyer, and you can't say publicly that you don't believe in the courts, otherwise you will not have a job.
I believe you have listened to him. I believe you have listened. Now, the question there's something I want to chip in here. What is different between Nigerian judiciary and the Nigerian INEC? There is no difference. It's just a name. The same corrupted people that we are posted in Nigerian INEC by every political powers, most especially the APC, are the people who appointed every Nigerian INEC officials. I mean their staffs. And those people appointed are the people who are loyal to the ruling party, corruption, and they are all corrupted. And you see it on the just concluded selection called the election. And these people is now telling you to go to court again. The question now is, who appoints those judges that are in the Nigerian judiciary system? Even the ex-Supreme Court Chief Judge, in the person of Justice Muhammad Tanko, is just ordinary a Sharia law judge. But he was appointed by the late Muhammad Buhari to bring the anarchy you see today in Imo State. The same thing to the Attorney General of the Federation in the person of Malami. These are the AP's cabals appointed. So what make you think that somebody who stole your thing is telling you to go to court where you are seeing his father as the chief judge, you are seeing his mother as the chief judge, you are seeing his brothers and sisters as the chief judge, and you think you can get justice from such people? What Omoyere Showore said here is 100% correct. They are telling you to go to court so that they will stop the uprising. If P2B really want to reclaim his mandate, it's very simple. Allow the youth to embark. You can only achieve that by the youth hitting the street, taking the actions by themselves. If there is no revolution, say goodbye. That is why I tell you, the Nigerian system, the Nigerian judiciary system is the same thing with the INEC. They are doing the work of the cabals. And P2B has been a willing tool for these people to calm the youth down so that they will suffer for another 80 years. And after another 80 years, they will still tell you Igbo presidency, Igbo presidency. There is nothing like Igbo presidency or the leaders or the youth are the leaders of tomorrow. I don't know whether if the youth of Nigerian youth have sense at all. You have the opportunity to retrieve your what is have been stolen from you, and somebody is telling you that you should go to court. I don't have much to say, but know that the same people that they declared Tinubu the winner are the same people you are going to meet in the Nigerian judiciary, which you know the result already. There is no hope in Nigerian judiciary. Stop believing that is a false hope. Like I said earlier, if P2B wants Ali Igbo to unite, let him step down from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let him join IPOB and they fight for the total disintegration of Nigeria. Don't tell me that Igbos are divided. We are not divided. Just that someone is using his selfish interest to deceive the rest. And you must know that there is difference between what you want to hear and the reality. P2B knows what you want to hear, and they keep on telling you that thing you want to hear is not the reality. It's far from that. I don't want to take much of your time, but I am here to tell you the truth. I am not telling you to like me or to love me, but I am here to tell you the raw truth. That is why I am called MAP Eziokubundo, one in Biafra land. The truth is there. The Nigerian system of government cannot give you justice. Hope Uzodinma is a clear example of the Nigerian judicial system. And the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court case, which have been discharged and acquitted, is to tell you that the Nigerian judicial system don't have power over the cabals of the Fulanis and the Yorubas. Igbos, Biafrans are not welcome. If Mwike can ring river for Tinubu, what make you think that they cannot influence the chief judge that will deliver the judgment? Or you think those people will fold their hands and be in trouble? The answer is no. Think and do not allow yourself to be deceived. Once again, stay tuned for more videos. My name is MAP Eziokubundo. One.
Now the story of today now be that. As you don't see her now, you see na true I talk. Make you help me share her. Make you help me like her. Make you comment so that other people will see her too. When they know what thing they happen. People will never know what thing they happen. Now so it be my people.